I think a little bit of it's wait and see. You have to see how the practical application is going to be for a fleet. I think autonomous vehicles are an exciting new technology. I'm not sure how the application will be in trucking. I look at things like the railroad or flight crews where you're able to reduce a number by maybe 20% in the cockpit, or railroad engineers taking their crew down from 6 on a train to 4. We're still one truck, one driver. So the gains are yet to be seen in how that'll apply and how you make the economics of that apply to be feasible. 25, 30 years from now, I think when you get to a level 4 autonomous truck, that opens up a whole different world. For us, we're regularly routed, handle primarily expedited emergency freight. A fully autonomous vehicle takes hours of service considerations out of there and makes us much more flexible, much more nimble to respond to customers' needs quickly. I would think the autonomous vehicle will obviously reduce the workload or stress on a driver. I would hope that the government would then use some practical studies in real-world applications to measure that stress and workload and apply more flexible hours of service rules or workload rules that apply to what that world is versus the world today. Driving a truck today down the way our highways are and congestion and those things is a great stress load on an individual. Just driving to work sometimes is stressful for any of us. But I think when you get to an autonomous vehicle level where the computers and the systems are doing it, obviously that workload is dropping dramatically, and that kind of really shifts and reevaluates or changes the whole job as we know it today. I think it's going to get worse before it gets better. I think we have to come to a highway funding solution long term. Then we can look at the next step as far as reducing congestion and working on things like highway lanes for trucks only, autonomous vehicle lanes, things like that that'll hopefully gain efficiencies on the infrastructure we have today. But I think it's going to get worse before it gets better, and we have to come up with a true long-term funding solution if we're ever going to get anywhere. There's so many different things coming in different directions. You look at even like trucks, what they've done over the last 5 to 10 years, the technology involved with them, the in-cab technology, the handheld technology for the drivers. It's really coming at us from all directions right now, and I'm guessing the biggest thing in the next 20 years will be something we're not even thinking about today or seeing yet.